Now this is a software which is being used by us in the lab, that is basically emulator 8086. If you want to write a code on this compiler and software, basically you need to click on file, then you need to click on com. These are the basically templates. So here you can write your code, as I have already copied a code and placed it there, and this then later you need to emulate or run this code, you need to click on that tab emulator. That code will be emulated, and you can see the output. Then there are two options: you can completely run the code and get the final input, or you can run step by step. It means that you can run your command line by line. Here you can see that if I click on next step, I'll get the output of the first lab, and that output will be indicated in form of the blue highlighted color. Basically the blue color represent that these are the changes which is recently being made by the execution of this of the last command. You can see that by executing the next command, the changes are highlighted in blue again. So basically you can run a complete code and get the final output, or you can step by step execute your commands line by line. So for educational purpose, I think so you will be using step by step execution more frequently. Then I'll explore few more tabs with you. For example, if you click on the view, then there are some options. For example, if you want to see the memory locations, you can see all the memory locations, and if you want to see the value of specific memory location, you can write the memory address over here and update it to get the value of that specific memory location. Then there are flags. Basically you know that there are few assembly language commands that update the flags as well. For example, ADC or add or ADC or subtract with borrow. These commands basically update the flags, relevant flag as well. So here you can see that by clicking the view tab, you can click on flags, and you can check the status of all the flags that is being used by the command, and again the updated flag will be highlighted with the blue. Then you can also check the stack memory. This is the stack of the segment 010, and with the stack pointer indicated by an arrowhead. So you can also view the stack memory. You can check all the stack memory here. Then if you want to use a multi-base calculator, as all of you know that all the value being stored in that register is of hexadecimal type, and if you want to calculate to evaluate the of your result, so you can use that base calculator. Then there is a base converter as well. If you want to verify that you stored that the right value is being stored, or you want to verify your answer, you can use that base converter or base calculator as well. Then there are a few more tabs. You can explore the tab while you are on, and with the passage of time, the software is more you get familiar with the software more. I hope that that's all for my side for this lab. In coming labs we will explore this software more, and we will also explore the syntax of assembly language. That's all from my side. Thank you.